Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Eventful Living with Kay. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these affordable, festive Christmas water candles. So today for my candles, I'll be using some sliced oranges to give that fresh feel. Of course, I'll be using cranberries for the Christmas season, some pine sprigs and some cinnamon, and you will need a clear jar. A mason jar or even like an old coffee jar will work for this candle. So I'm going to start by adding my greenery to my mason jar, followed by the other items. And just so you know guys, you can just utilize whatever you have at home for these candles. Like for the greenery, if you have rosemary, you can go ahead and use that. For the citrus, you can use lemons, you can use flowers from your garden, shells, beads, anything really that can go in water you can use for this candle. And now I'm adding my cranberries, and it's best to use fresh cranberries for this. It's going to give that nice pop of Christmas color. I've added all the items to my jar, so now I'm going to be adding water. I'm going to fill the jar all the way to the top, leaving about an inch of space. Now I'm going to add a thin layer of oil on top. And the good thing about this, guys, is you can use any oil you have at home. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, any oil works for these candles. So about 2 tablespoons of oil is good, and the more oil you add, the candles will burn longer. They will also burn slowly and safely. I also added a few drops of essential oils. You can use orange or vanilla, and this is just totally optional. So guys, I have these floating wicks that I bought on Amazon. This is a pack of 50. And I'm just going to place one on top in the middle. I must say that this is also a great DIY if you have kids that love crafting, because there are so many variations that you can make with this candle. You can even add a food coloring to your water to have different colors. So if you have kids, like, go ahead and give it a try. I'm sure they will enjoy making this. So I also went ahead and used a bigger jar as well, and for this one I'm using some of the same items, and I'm adding a pine cone in this one because I have more space. I'm also going to use some leftover orange peel that I had. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you are enjoying the video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'm just going to go ahead and finish assembling this one, and then I'm going to show you how they look. And these candles, guys, they are just so simple, so easy to make, so fun to put together. It's just way easier, less time consuming than making a wax candle. And that's one of the reasons why I really like these. So this is all done, and now it's time for the fun part, to light these candles. Here we go. So these are safe, they last long, and they make a gorgeous centerpiece for any occasion. These Christmas water candles are just so magical, guys. Let me know in the comments if you would try this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next video.